Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to leave a server on Discord. Whether it's a group you don't want to use anymore or just a community you want to exit from, this guide is short, safe and 100% beginner friendly. First of all, open up the Discord application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in. Once logged in, from the left-hand side menu, select the server you want to leave. After selecting the server, tap on the server's name at the top, and from the bottom menu, scroll down and look for Leave Server button and tap on it. Click on Yes in the pop-up, and then you have successfully left a server on Discord. Whether you are cleaning up your list or just want to step away from a group, this is how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.